The history of our company started out with the automotive spare part for air-cooled cars. Actually, the Volkswagen Beetle heat exchangers is amongst the first parts we did. So through that, we moved into automotive industry, and we have always been combining a lot of manufacturing processes. So we're doing pressing, stamping, we're doing pipe bending, a lot of welding. We do roller welding, we do MIG welding, TIG welding, all kinds of stuff. It's always been a trademark of Dansk to combine the different processes. A lot of manufacturers in the industry, they do focus on a few processes, but since the products that we do, the technical nature of the products is very complex, we have to combine all these different manufacturing techniques to do the complete products. What we do is we do a rapid development. It means through our 3D scanning processes and developing process, we can very quickly bring even low volume product to market. That's a unique feature in the industry. What is also unique is that we are able to do manufacturing runs in small batches. On top of that, what everybody is looking for a premium car is a premium product, and what we do is exactly that. We know that people care for the car, we know the parts are built to last, and that's what we focus at. So the pressing operation is a very central part of our manufacturing. We basically get blank sheets delivered to the factory, and from that we press and form all our parts. Bending pipes is a unique capability for us. It is very important to do a quality product that you're able to do 1D bends, which means very sharp bends without stretching the material too much. That gives the endurance and the quality of the product. Welding on robots is part of what we do. Welding by hand is part of what we do. We combine the two, so we take the best of the manual process and the best of the automated process. When you look ahead, obviously you have a certain luggage that you used to look ahead, and our luggage, so to speak, is a long history in the air-cooled Porsche world for the 356, for the 914, for the 911 in particular. Looking ahead, with Porsche moving into water-cooled some decades ago, obviously we want to focus even more on the water-cooled Porsche exhaust systems as well. We have a strong history in the air-cooled, where perhaps less people know the Dansk brand and the ability within the water-cooled. We are there to stay in the same way as we've supported the air-cooled market for many, many years. Uniqueness of Dansk covers our ability to develop products through our 3D scanning, thoroughly manufacture those products in-house in Denmark, and last but not least, also on our roller dyno, test and validate the products. When they get out on the street and on the cars, they are well tested and ready for use.
Hi, my name is Martin. I'm working at JP Group Automotive as area sales manager. I've been working at JP Group for 16 years. We started with the Design 911 back in 2014, where I started to know Carl. Design 911, they supply to the end customers, but they also do have a professional side where they do business to business. They are doing a very good branding of our products, SSI and Dansk Original. JP Group is probably one of the best in manufacturing products for Porsche, and Design 911 is just a perfect match because they are the best in supplying Porsche products to the garages and to the private people. To work at JP Group Automotive is very special because we have so many legs to go on that, you know, it's not just selling products, it's also about passion for cars. So I like very much to get out in the field and visit my customers, and you go to the different shows, you look at the cars and you get feedback, you are in touch with the users, and you get back to the factory, say, hey, can we make this and that? And yeah, you are following the process. So we are a team from inside the company, but also with our customers, and we are united together. So we don't have a good business going on if our partners and companies like Design 11 is on board the whole way, and yeah, this is this just a spirit of how we're doing business, which I like in my daily work.